I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've actually got something a little bit different today. Dun dun dun. I have got a review. And this is the first time I have kindly, very kindly been sent a product to review on my channel. This is from Beauty Big Bang and it is their Merry Christmas bundle. Just let's have a look at this box first, because I am definitely not a Grinch. I love Christmas. It's a very exciting time of year. I've got a almost 6-year-old daughter and it's just magical. I love it to pieces. So as soon as I had the opportunity to review this, I got super excited. So let's have a little peek inside. Let's open that up. And oh gosh, the first thing that I can see is something holo. We all love a little bit of holographic. So look at the size of this bag as well. It's huge. Okay. Pop that to the side. So we have a holo plate holder. This is for the smaller stamping plates. But this is such good quality, and it also has the 2 buttons as well, so that as soon as it starts getting really thick, you can actually still close it, which is really good. And look at how many pouches it has in it as well. Gosh, you can fit so many plates in this. I've not got many, but I have got a couple of the smaller stamping plates, so yeah, I will be sorting those out into here. Probably straight after this video. Okay, so that is absolutely amazing. Very chuffed to have that. Okay, so we have 5 sets of nail decal stickers. So if you don't like painting your nails, or if you fancy something a bit different, you don't like false nails, or whatever the reason, you can stick these onto your nails. And oh gosh, how amazing is this? They're so detailed. So this is the first one, and you have got presents, snowmen, Santa, reindeers, and all that jazz with this pretty blue background. They are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And on the back here, look, we've got some instructions. Completely forgot what that word was. So let's just have a little look through. These are some darker blue ones with some polar bears on. So magical. I love it. Some white ones with some reindeer stockings, some hearts, Santa, candy canes. They're gorgeous. I love them. Now, these are more like Christmas jumper style. I really like these. You've got to at least, at some point during the holidays, you've got to have Christmas jumper nails, haven't you? So these are absolutely gorgeous. And then the last set is like on a mint green background. Very nice. I love this snowman here. So I am absolutely thrilled with all of these. Very happy. And then, oh gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, so let me just open the backs of them so they're easier to get out. There we go. Okay, so we've got some stamping plates. We have got 5 stamping plates. Gosh, this would make an absolutely amazing kit for anybody who loves nail art, or yourself, a cheeky little Christmas gift to yourself. Why not? So let's have a look at what all these stamping plates are. So this is the package for this one. This is 007. Look. Oh wow, look at that. Oh gosh, it's a dabbing polar bear. Oh, Oh, nice. And some groovy snowmen. I love that Christmas tree. I love it. Wow. Okay, I'm really happy. I don't think I've got any... Oh, that's really bad. I don't think I actually got organised enough to get some tweezers. So, I'm trying really hard to grow my natural nails as well. I've never been one who has been able to grow my natural nails. I usually wear false nails, which is, you know... Oh look, I've got some tweezers, which is good, but I really want to grow my own nails, and that is the goal. But do you know what? They're actually getting longer and longer, and I'm loving it. Mind the chipped nails, by the way. I have been wearing this mani for well over a week now, and oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. Should have got organised beforehand. And we're in. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you all the stamping plates to begin with, and then I'm going to do some stamping on some paper just to show you what the images are like. So that is 007. This next one is 006. And it's easy to show you with the blue film on because it's not as reflective, which is good. So we've got the Christmas jumper styles here. Is that a kitten wearing a Christmas hat? That is adorable. And we've got like a little Christmas scene up here and some classic snowflakes down at the bottom. You can't go wrong. So here we go, watch me struggle again. What is my life? Oh, there we go. So yeah, that one is 006. This one is 009. Maybe I should have done these in order. What do you think? So, oh gosh, I've fallen in love with this one already just because of the gingerbread men. I love that image. Oh, and the fireworks. I needed a plate with some good firework images on. Love it. So we've got some stars here and some like a tri-set of pictures there. Some mittens, presents, little reindeer and a candle holder. Perfect. And that is 009. Okay, then we've got 008. This is plate number 4. And, oh, this one's a very busy one. So we've got like a Christmas scene. Do you know what this reminds me of? Did you ever have anyone in your family or yourself that collected Lilliput Lane cottages? This looks like a scene. One of those scenic ones. But we've also got some planets up here as well. We've got Santa. We've got a polar bear having a little sit down. We've got... I'm guessing that could be Hansel holding some sweeties, some trees, a rocking horse, and obviously a little kitten wearing a hat. Very nice. I love the mixture that you get on this plate. Very good. Look, I'm getting quicker at getting into them. That's good, isn't it? Okay, and that is 008. And last but not least, we have 010. We've got a little owl on the front. And what I do as well, I don't throw away the little cardboard packages. I put them in a bottom drawer that I've got with like all my stamping plate packages. And then I put them in books and things. So, oh, I love this. It's got 2 carol singing puppies with an owl and a penguin and an angel. Some more fireworks. I love that. And some more little houses and another Christmas tree. North Pole sign. I love it. I love those 2 little singing puppies. Okay. And do you know what? If you've got a little one in your family as well, like I did mention that I've got a 6-year-old, she absolutely loves me painting her nails. These images are absolutely perfect for doing on short nails or children's nails, and I love that about these plates. And there is 010. Okay, so now that we've been through the entire box of goodies, what I'm going to do now is get my piece of paper and I'm going to stamp some of the images on. So I'll put a little bit of music on so you can just listen and watch. And I will be using Moyu stamping polish in grey. There is no colour name for it, but it's just grey. Seeing as this is a Beauty Big Bang video, I'll be using my Beauty Big Bang scraper, which I have actually fallen in love with lately. If you've noticed, I've been using this in a lot of my videos. It scrapes perfectly. And my Beauty Big Bang clear stamper, which I forgot to clean up the last time. That is naughty. Or do you know what? Do you know when your thing gets so full that it just starts leaving more polish on your stamper than you even had before? So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stamp some images from each plate onto this paper, and then I will get back to you at the end. So watch and enjoy.
When my future needed clarity, yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my future. I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay, to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again, and as I fall I can feel the pain. You can tell.
Okay, so there we are. This is all the images that I have stamped from each plate. Yet, as you can see, I did it super fast and they still came out perfect. I waited a bit too long to put this down. So there's a couple of little patches, but that is completely my fault. But look at just how amazing all those images have come out and how detailed they are. I can see some amazing manis coming up in the near future using these plates. So overall, I am super happy. Thank you very much, Beauty Big Bang. I will link their shop down below. I got these from the Amazon shop, and I will also link their Instagram. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've got anything you'd like to say, please leave it down in the comments box below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.
Me lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling